Andrew's re-maiden F-22 restoration. Gear up?
Yep. This takes forever.
Ah.
Still gets lost in the grey.
Mm.
Yeah, I need those lights. Flying alright.
How's she doing?
Wow.
Whoa, wow. How's she on the trim?
Almost perfect, actually.
Yeah? Sweet.
Yeah, not much trim needed at all.
Mm.
Probably a slight bit of trim needed, but... Wow!
Oh.
I'm not gonna do that again. At least not yet.
Didn't actually see that properly.
I have to remember she's a heavy bird and not lippish.
Mm.
Definitely faster than stuff.
We'll have to. You're gonna fly her again later. We'll have to put this. We'll have to put the GPS on her. Yeah. Looking good.
You know what? I had my flaps on the whole time.
You had them on takeoff flaps the whole time.
Yeah. Okay, so this is takeoff flaps coming in.
You better put her on landing flaps. Oh, greased it.
Yeah.
Yeah, bit of nice one.